Now I shall start exercise 14.3. Question number 1. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Now find the mean, median and mode. Okay, and this is the table given. Monthly consumption in units and number of consumers. Now at first I have take out medians. Okay, mean, median and mode, all the three have to be taken out. Now for medians, this is the class interval and this is frequency. These are given. 65 to 85 whose frequency is 4, 85 to 105 frequency is 5, 105 to 125 frequency 13, and in this way. Now at first we have to take out CF, means cumulative frequency. How we take out the cumulative frequency? At first you look here, there is 4 frequency of the first class interval and you write here 4, and now this 4 plus 5, this is 9. Okay, please, then 9 plus 13 it is 22, 22 plus 20 it is 42, 42 plus 14 56, 56 plus 8 64, and 64 plus 4 68. Okay, in this way cumulative frequency you take out. Now sum of the frequencies, that is n, capital N means sum of the frequencies. N equal to 68, sum of this frequency. Now you take out n by 2. N by 2, that is 68 by 2, 34. Now the CF just greater than n by 2 means greater than the number of 34. So look here, 42. 42 is the cumulative frequency which is just greater than n by 2. So I have written here the CF just greater than n by 2 equal to 42. So median class equal to 125 to 145. Look here, you go to this line. This is the cumulative frequency, means the cumulative frequency just greater than the n by 2, and you go through this line, and this is the, in this interval is the median class interval. So 125 to 145 is the median class. So this is the lower limit of the median class, so it is L. L equal to 125. H equal to difference of these two, that is 145 minus 125, which is 20. F equal to 20, CF equal to 22. Look here, in this line, this is the median class, so this is the F, and the CF just previous, this previous CF is the CF, means this is the class median class interval, and the CF just previous of the median class interval is the CF. Okay, so this is F and this is CF. I have written here. Now formula, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. You put the values. L equal to 125 plus 34, that is n by 2 minus 22 by 20 into 20. 20 cancel. So 125 plus 12, that is 137 unit. Now mean. Mean, I have done mean by assumed mean method. Okay, there are 3 methods to take out mean. So here assumed mean method is applied. So this is class interval which is given, and this is Fi frequency, Xi, that is class mark, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, that is 65 plus 85 by 2, which is 75, then 85 plus 105 by 2, that is 95. In this way Xi is to be determined, and among these which is in the middle position is the assumed mean, that is, you look here, 135 is in the middle position. Here you leave 3 and here you leave 3. So 135 is the assumed mean. Now di equal to xi minus a. So xi means 75 minus 135 equal to minus 60. So 95 minus 135 equal to minus 40. 115 minus 135 equal to minus 20. 135 minus 135 equal to 0. In this way, you take out the di. And now Fi di means Fi here 4 and di minus 60 equal to minus 240. 5 into minus 20 minus 200. 13 into minus 20 minus 260. 20 into 0 0. 14 into 20 280. 8 into 40 8 into 40 320 and 4 into 60 240. Okay. Now Fi di I have take out. Now sigma Fi di means sum of the Fi di. So now look here, 3 numbers are negative and 3 numbers are positive. So you add at first the positive numbers. So 280 plus 320 plus 240 it is 840 and some of the negative numbers are 700. So it is 140. Okay. Now mean x dash equal to a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So 135 which we have taken assumed mean 135 plus 140 by 68. This is the sum of the frequencies Fi. So 135 plus 2.06. So 137.06 unit. Now mode. For mode, you write down the class interval and frequencies and look which is the highest frequency. You look here, highest frequency is 20. So it is F1 and the frequencies previous of it is F0 and the frequency after of this is the F2. Okay. So highest frequency equal to 20. So modal class equal to 125 to 145. So L equal to 125. And h equal to difference of these two, that is 20. F1 equal to 20. I have told you the highest frequency is F1 and the F0, the frequency before this frequency F0 and the frequency after this frequency is F2. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into h. So 125 plus 20 minus 13 by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20. So 125 plus 7 by 13 after calculation into 20. So 125 plus 10.77, that is 135.77 unit. Okay.